Here's my RX350 2013. The door beeper buzzer stopped working. It's really hard to find. Thought it might help to show you guys where it is. It's actually, you got to remove a couple of fasteners down here for the little flap thing. Then you got to pull out the pins. I've already done it. Here. Those two pins. This disengages, and pull down the liner a bit. You can force it. Now I need to get a light to show. Well, I guess you can see it. There it is. That's the connector. Just kind of hangs there, and the buzzer connects to that connector. So it's up inside. Basically, right about here, inside the fender. Okay, here is the cover that's already been pried off the sensor buzzer housing. It's not a sensor, it's a buzzer. And the original buzzer was very corroded. I've already removed that, tossed it in the trash. And I've replaced the buzzer with a very inexpensive Amazon purchased buzzer. This is a bag of them. It was something like $10 for 50. Unfortunately, I couldn't buy a smaller quantity. Maybe I'll find something else to do with these. These are non-active or passive buzzers, and I just took one, soldered it in here, and just did a trial, and it works. So I kept the original resistor that's in there. I believe that's a resistor. That grayish part there. I just soldered in a couple of wires. I'm going to put a few, use the original wires. I'm going to put something in a bit more robust, thicker gauge wire, and I'm going to seal around this side just to prevent maybe moisture kind of going in, and then put the cover back on, and it resonates in this housing. It's not as loud as the original buzzer, but Toyota wants about $100 for this sensor, and I'm just not about to get raked over the coals for a simple little thing like this. These buzzers are friggin', 10 cents each, or 20 cents each. Why am I paying $100 for a sensor from Toyota? So maybe this can help somebody else out. Thanks. Okay, I've installed the buzzer inside the original housing for the car, and here's a close-up on the bag again. Maybe you couldn't read it before. Anyways, it's a 2 kilohertz frequency passive buzzer. So let's go install it. Here's the buzzer installed inside the fender. It's actually not hanging there, it's clipped in. I just forgot that because I had taken it apart over a week ago. Anyways, it's clipped in position, and it works well. Well, it works. Not very loud, but it's good enough for me.